Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to talk to you about more interesting, exciting, and hopefully helpful Corvette information. Before we get started on our topic today though, I have a special request. We were going over some of our metrics on YouTube and looking at some of the analytical stuff, and the biggest problem we have with our channel, and we don't have many, but the biggest one we have is only 25% of the people, you good folks, who watch our videos are actually subscribed to our channel. Now, when it comes to YouTube metrics, it's really important for our videos to get distributed by YouTube to people who might not be familiar with us to have subscribers. Okay, views are awesome, but subscribers are what help build the channel. And we've done a great job of getting all the way up to 62,500 and change people that are subscribed to our channel, which is awesome. But if that means that only 25% of the people who watch our videos are subscribed, we have about 250,000 potential total subscribers out there. So if you could do me a favor, it costs you 10 seconds and costs you $0, pennies, nickels, dimes, anything. Please hit the subscribe button. If you don't know how to subscribe to us, depending on what device you're using, just put it in the comments below. And if you can't figure it out, I will send you instructions on how to do it, because I really want you guys to, be a part of our family, be a part of what we're doing here. And the more subscribers we get, the more we can do for you. So thank you in advance. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And of course, any questions, any comments below. And if you like what we're doing, hit the little thumbs up button. That helps us too. Okay, so for today, what I want to talk to you guys about, most of the problems we solve here are like, man, my shifter won't come out of park, or my car's making a weird noise, or my seat's rocking back and forth, or my horn doesn't work. Stuff that's pretty important for the daily driving and safe, use of your car. But there are other problems in our cars that, while they aren't structurally important or mechanically significant or electronically damning, they just bother you, okay? Things you look at and go, man, I wish it wasn't that way. Well, with all this work we've been doing with our automatic shifter harnesses for the C6, we have a lot of people that we're talking to who we're helping them. They watch our how-to video on how to take the shifter console out and do the job. And we also offer a bundle kit with that includes the shifter cable grommets and the shifter indicator repair kit, because they're all things that are kind of go together in there. From the feedback I've gotten from you guys and from some of the work we've done here in the shop, what I've come to realize is there was one really bothersome but completely unimportant in the grand scheme of things problems with the C6. And you know what it is? It's this guy. This is your cup holder assembly. Now, the cup holder assembly, the hard plastic part, never breaks. What does fall apart is this elegant little rolling door that is made of rubber and plastic. And with age, that rubber dries out and it splits in 20 different sections, and then you end up with just one piece of plastic that goes this way, but there's no cover for your cup holder anymore. So what my thoughts are is, I wanted to introduce this to you. This is a reproduction part that is relatively new to the market. I picked this up and a bunch of its friends up at Lyle this year. I know the manufacturer really well. It's a good quality item. And it's one of those things that would be really smart if your rubber cover is messed up on your cup holder. Now, you look at this all the time. If it's messed up and you're going to be doing the shifter harness anyway, or it just bothers you enough, we're like, shoot, I need a new one of those. This does exist. It's on our website. You can do this while you're doing the shifter harness repair kit, because you're going to have the console off anyway, and it's just a few screws to in and out this unit from the underside of your console. So we are selling this for $69 shipped to your door anywhere in the United States. I mean, the tooling to make this, I know, was expensive. And I bought enough of them that I got a good price, so I'm passing some of that on to you guys. But yeah, just to be able to know that this is elegant, clean, and that this is working, and it's not the one blemish on your interior that you're like, ugh, man, I wish I could fix that. So, 2005 to 2013 cup holder assembly. You'll find it on my website. There's a link below in the description of the video. If you guys want to solve this problem, or if you're buying the shifter cable harness or have already bought it but haven't done the job yet, now's the time to do this because you're going to have it apart anyway. So some of the things I'm going to be focusing on this coming year are little things like this that are just bothersome. I mean, the mechanical and the electronic fixes are really important so we can enjoy our cars. But part of enjoying our cars is being able to look over the entire interior and go, ah, lovely. Little things like this really help. So, any questions about this, whatever, put it in the comments below. These are available on our website as of today. And I've got about 100 of them on the shelf. So if you guys blow through 100 of them in the next couple of days, I can get another 100 coming. Thank you so much for your continued support, and got more stuff coming next week. See you then.